Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for anyone maintaining an HP printer, specifically the CR357-67013 cutter Platen. This part is essential for ensuring your large format printer continues to deliver precise and clean cuts, which, as many of you know, is paramount for professional output. A worn or damaged cutter Platen can lead to jagged edges, misaligned cuts, and ultimately, wasted material and time. Replacing it with a quality part, like this one, can significantly extend the life and efficiency of your machine. Now, let's talk about what makes this particular offering unique. When you're looking to replace your CR357-67013, you'll find that the available units come in one of two conditions: either original refurbished or compatible new. It's important to understand that these are sent randomly. This means that when you place an order, you might receive a meticulously refurbished original part that has been restored to optimal working condition, or you could receive a brand new compatible part designed to meet the original specifications. The seller is very upfront about this, stating clearly that if this random allocation of conditions is a concern for you, it's best not to proceed with the order. This transparency is quite helpful, allowing buyers to make an informed decision based on their comfort level with either option. Both types are intended to bring your printer's cutting mechanism back to peak performance, ensuring those crisp lines and accurate dimensions you rely on. Another critical point to consider, as highlighted by the seller, is the importance of comparing this part with your original item. The model number provided, CR357-67013, is primarily for reference. Printer models can sometimes have variations, so physically checking your existing cutter Platen against the images and specifications of this replacement is highly recommended to guarantee perfect compatibility. This due diligence on the buyer's part is key to a successful replacement and avoiding any potential installation headaches. The package itself is straightforward, containing one piece of this essential printer part. For those who rely on their HP printers for demanding tasks, having a reliable source for replacement components like the CR357-67013 cutter Platen is invaluable. It represents a practical solution for maintaining the high standards of your print production without necessarily investing in an entirely new machine. Whether you receive an original refurbished unit or a new compatible one, the goal remains the same: to restore your printer's cutting precision and keep your workflow smooth and efficient. It's about getting your machine back to its best, ensuring every cut is as perfect as the last.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.